Frequent nocturnal urination and snoring, they're alarming signs of sleep apnea.
Sleep apnea. 90% of the patients with apnea snore, and that does not respect females, They have a hard time accepting that they snore, but they do snore too. But keep in mind, 10% of patients with apnea might not have snore, or at least not loud, disruptive snore. Many patients with sleep apnea just wake up feeling not rested or not fresh, so sleep is unrestorative. Because of such, there's daytime sleepiness or daytime fatigue. Many patients with apnea wake up to urinate at night. We call that nocturia. It is not normal to wake up to pee at night. And I know, they come and they say, hey doc, I stay hydrated, I drink a lot of water, and that's the reason why I wake up to pee. But guess what? There are hormonal changes designed to protect you from waking up to urinate. So if you're waking up to urinate and you snore, that's a big red flag. Sleep apnea might cause morning headaches, or in general increase the frequency of headaches throughout the day. Sleep apnea affects focus, memory, reaction time, and productivity. So throughout the day, you're less productive, you're more tired. And then if you are sleepy when driving, that is a danger. That of course increases your risk of accidents. Sleep apnea, sleep deprivation, sleepy driving has been compared to driving under the influence.